Hi folks, Stu here from SJM Off-Road. And if you like the outdoors as much as we do, you'll understand how important a dual battery system is to your camping needs. We're seeing more and more new 12-volt products out there to make camping a lot more comfortable. So how do we power all these accessories safely so we don't flatten the start battery on our four-wheel drive? Simple. We use the DES battery system. Dual Energy Systems, or DES battery units, they're made here in Australia and come with a 5-year warranty. Each battery has an inbuilt BMS system in them, so safeguards each battery as well. They're custom designed and Australian engineered battery systems bolt directly behind the seat of dual cab vehicles. The benefit of putting the system behind the rear of the seat of any vehicle, it means that it's in cabin and you control the temperature on which the system charges. Lithium batteries prefer to charge in a cooler environment rather than in a hot engine bay. This particular unit that we've got here is suited for the Ford Ranger Raptor utilities. Simply in this system, you run 2 auxiliary batteries, your charging system, which is provided by Red-Arc, either in a 50 amp, 40 amp or 25 amp hour charger, and your distribution panel between your higher amperage and your lower amperage outputs. The beauty of this system is that it's a full plug-and-play setup that bolts directly into your seat, not requiring any major body modifications needed in the vehicle. So how we monitor our power usage is through 2 ways. Using the Victron Bluetooth monitor setup, we can use the display that's in the housing itself or through the Victron Connect app via any mobile device, giving you peace of mind that you still have enough battery level before you need to start the vehicle or put your solar input in. Each DES system comes with its own unique set of instructions to easily step you through how to install it into the vehicle.